Harmony is a specialist gold producer with a growing international copper footprint. We have over 73 years of gold mining experience in South Africa and have been operating for almost 2 decades in Papua New Guinea. During the financial year, we added a Tier 1 mining jurisdiction with the acquisition of Eva Copper in Australia. At 1.47 million ounces, we are South Africa's largest gold producer by volume and have a diversified portfolio of operating assets which include gold, silver, and uranium. We have 9 underground mines, 2 open pit mines, and various tailings retreatment operations. Our gold tailings retreatment business, or recycling as you may know it, is the largest global and set to grow by performance in the circular economy. Our latest mineral resource and mineral reserves declaration is 138 million ounces and 39 million ounces respectively. This is a substantial resource base, and our pipeline of projects presents an incredible opportunity to convert these resources to higher quality reserves. In addition to the various projects we have in South Africa, the Tier 1 Wafi-Golpu project in Papua New Guinea and Eva Copper in Australia provide us with a sizable international copper-gold footprint. Mining with purpose ensure that all our stakeholders share in the benefit of the minerals we extract. And in our presentation today, we will provide further insights on how we create long-term value for all. To ensure continued positive returns, we are directing major capital towards higher quality assets and projects. Our 4 strategic pillars support our planning and investment decisions. These capital investments will drive down costs and improve margins, transforming Harmony into a high-quality gold and copper producer. Our South African high-grade and optimized underground mines are delivering strong operational free cash flows to support our growth operations. Our high-margin South African retreatment operations in the Free State, West Wits and Vaal River region are low risk and support our contribution to the circular economy. These operations all continue supporting our international copper-gold growth aspirations. This financial year was a landmark year for Harmony. Not only did we again deliver against all guidance metrics, but our expansion into near-term copper took hold. We have built up an incredible momentum supported by an improved safety performance. Group lost time injury frequency rate per million hours worked improved to 5.49. This has remained below 6 for 2 consecutive financial years, a first in our 73-year history. This is a monumental achievement for deep-level mining in South Africa and affirms our commitment to improving safety. Gold production remains steady year on year. We produced 1.47 million ounces, which was towards the upper end of the guidance despite the closure of Bambanani at the end of the 2022 financial year. Underground recovered grades exceeded the upper end of the guidance, improving by 8% to 5.8 grams a ton. Our costs remained under control, with all-in sustaining costs below the guidance of around about 890,000 rand per kilogram. This was an increase of only 6% and well below our planned annual increase of between 8 and 9%. I am very pleased with this achievement, especially in the current inflationary environment. We deployed 2 billion rand in major capital towards our high-margin growth projects. On the back of the good operational performance, we generated 6 billion in operating free cash flow, an increase of more than 100%. This enabled us to maintain our strong, flexible balance sheet with net debt to EBITDA at 0.2 times. Although we are now in a period of high capital expenditure, it remains our goal to return capital to shareholders. This is in line with our dividend policy and alongside our overall growth strategy. I'm therefore delighted to announce a final dividend of 75 South African cents or 4 US cents as a result of the strong group performance in the 2023 financial year.